What up, YouTubers? Well, I'm doing a nice little project. Nice little project for my father. And doing this for my brother's Christmas gift. Putting a dishwasher in. There's a little hole for it. A little spout. Right here. I gotta drill a hole right into the upper part of that wall right there. Connect it right into that pipe. That part will be done, and then I just gotta feed some power line. This thing is dummy proof, actually. Let's see. You cannot mess this up if you tried. Black to ground, white to positive. Go figure, right? Yeah. Meanwhile, I did all this crap, all this preparation to get the dishwasher in. It fits perfectly fine. I have to get a little piece of wood to go on the other side of there because the width is a little bit wider than the machine is. And what's interesting is I'm doing this with my legs that are not working. I am paralyzed. So fun doing this with just I did all this shit with just my arms. So rip this shit out. All that crap right there.
Clean my room.
Sad asshole. You're on YouTube.
What was that?
You're live on YouTube. So yeah. Idiotness from yeah. Mr. Actor right there. Likes the camera. Yeah. Fakes it. He's fake. And yeah, that's all the wood right there. I just ripped out, gutted, and there's the other part of it right there. That's part of the kitchen that I destroyed yesterday, which is unbelievably like this is right here. Yep. Dishwasher going in. Wires getting connected. Pipe getting put in. And then the wall's getting drilled. And he's hiding behind the goddamn wall again. Yep. Mr. I like to be on the acting film and the camera and everything like that. He can't actually, you know, show a face, which is an idiot. Yeah, some fake actor he is. And they get to tap into there. Right? Yeah. I don't know. My first time doing this YouTubing video, so it's fun. So, to be continued to put this in. Gotta mount that up on top. Yeah. See, without my legs, I'm able to rip out things and, you know, do a little demolition and install things. So I figured, let me try a YouTube video. Post it and go from there. It's fun. I like it. I like projects. And this is going to be an interesting project. But it's fun because I know what I'm doing. I've done this before. And to me, it's easy. Self-taught, really. I did 3 of these once. Well, 2 of these, and this will be my 3rd one I'm doing now. So it's fun, easy, and my father never has time to put these in, to do any kind of home maintenance or anything, so I do it for him. Mind you, yes, I'm in a chair, can't walk. This is my legs, see? Can't walk, can't move, so. Alright, to be continued.